Hello and welcome to my joint venture partnership video. Hi, my name is John Colley, and if you're watching this video, you might be interested in forming a joint venture with me to sell my online courses program, The Expert Equation, using a combination of my webinar sales funnel and webinar and your list and your audience. Let me introduce myself. I spent 9 years in the British Army and I have a 30-year investment banking career. I have master's degrees from Cambridge University and an MBA from Cass Business School in London. I have considerable experience in the digital business world and I specialise in transforming digital business for entrepreneurs. Let me explain the opportunity here. I have an advanced training program, The Expert Equation, Make Money with Online Courses. This was originally conceived as a 2-day seminar and I delivered the content live at seminars in 2016. Since then, the seminar content has been regularly supplemented with updates and additional material to make this one of the very best courses out there. I know I have taken some of the others. In order to sell this to a wide audience, I have created a webinar, 3 Steps to 5 Figures with Online Courses. This has been recorded and can also be delivered live. In simple terms, this is how it works. During a 7-day campaign, you will promote the webinar to your audience, and at the end of the webinar, they're invited to take advantage of an offer to invest in the Expert Equation for $997. This has an RRP of $1,997. Plus, they also get a basket of great bonuses. Once the 30-day money-back guarantee period has expired, the profits from the campaign will be shared between us on the basis of our revenue share agreement, which will be agreed up front. Let me show you how the campaign is organised. The campaign takes place over 1 week, with the webinar being delivered at 1900, 7 o'clock Eastern Time on the Thursday. The first 3 days of the week, Monday through Wednesday, are used to promote the webinar to your list and your audience to encourage them to sign up and register. At this point, my webinar sales funnel comes into play. More about that in a minute. Thursday is Reminder Day. And, as already mentioned, the webinar is delivered at 1900 Eastern Standard Time. On Friday and Saturday, we run webinar replays, and there is an opportunity, if we so wish, to promote these to your audience as well. Sunday is Cart Close Day, and the offer expires at midnight Eastern Standard Time on that day. Let me show you how the webinar sales funnel works. These are the principal flows of the sales funnel, but I'm going to show you how the detail works in the next slide. Let's take a look at the key funnel elements first. This is the registration page where you will drive your traffic to sign up for the webinar. They will then be sent to a thank you / confirmation page, and ultimately go through to the webinar delivery page. I've created a workbook for the webinar which they will be able to download in due course. Then they're going to receive 2 indoctrination videos. There's a webinar replay page which they will be invited to watch after the webinar, and of course they will need a course checkout page and ultimately get access to the course itself and the bonuses. These are the email sequences. First of all, your registration promotion email sequence. Then I have a confirmation and indoctrination sequence. You may well send out reminder emails, in which case this is where you find them. And I will have a reminder email sequence as well. You will have a replay and cart close sequence, as will I. So, what is your role in this campaign? Simply put, you play 3 critical but straightforward parts during the campaign. Step 1. You send out promotional emails to your list and your audience, encouraging them to register for the webinar. This involves sending out 3 emails on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Step 2, which is number 3 on the screen, on Thursday you send out an agreed number of reminder emails to your list that the webinar is happening today. This gives non-registrants the opportunity to register and attend, and reminds those registrants who have already registered that they should not miss the event. Finally, you send out replay and cart close emails on Friday, Saturday and Sunday to ensure that we maximize sales through the appropriate follow-up after the webinar. This amounts to around 10 emails. I will be providing you with draft email scripts for you to adapt for your own audience so that you do not have to draft these from scratch. Everything else in this webinar sales funnel is already built and working. So, are you interested? If you are, then you're probably asking what are the next steps. If you're on my partnership page, then click on the short survey below and send it to me and we can get in touch. If not, then email me john@jbdcolley.com with the title JB Partnership in the subject line, and we can get into a discussion about how we might work together going forward. If we're already talking, that's great. Let's jump back on a call and agree the process and the week that we're going to run our campaign together. So that's my joint venture partnership. That's how it works. I think it can be very beneficial for both of us, and I would really welcome the opportunity to work with you at some point in the near future.